Hello everyone, it's NAVIFORCE unboxing time again. Now let's showing what the model we will display for you today. Okay, let's go. Here is the parcel when we receive our watches from the online store with the yellow parcel. Yeah, let's open it. First, we get a watch band adjustment, and then it's a case. Nice. Let's open it and drop it off. Yeah. Pulls this off here. Here is the outer case and the inner case. It also with the NAVIFORCE brand and NAVIFORCE Professional Waterproof. Yes. Okay. Here show you the inner case. Nice box. Okay. The second one we can see is cleaning clothes, and the next one is movement instruction menu. Yes, for this style, for this model. This was the NF9181 instruction menu. Yeah. The next one is NAVIFORCE guarantee card. We can see it have a 1 year guarantee. Yes. And next one is silicone desiccant guard. Yes, for driving this object. Okay, here is the last one, our main product, our main object. NF9181 watches. Yeah. And this inside we can see there's very soft protection for the watches. Okay, let's introduce the watches we get. Now you can see this is a stainless steel watch band steel. Very nice watch band. And you see here, and the inside here. And how to show you the inside? Yeah. And also we can see here they also have a protection about the strap buckle. Let's open it, put it off, and then open the buckle. Yes, this is a double fold buckle. Nice metal. And here we can see the NAVIFORCE logo here on the buckle. We also can see the back case here. The back case. Oh, it's hard to show you. We can find the model number inside here. Here is the line is too shiny. Here you can find the logo inside here, NF. NF9181 here, and the NAVIFORCE logo here in the back case. Let's put it on. The band is too long for me. Yes, it's very easy to wear it. And here it's what it's like on my arm, on my wrist. Yeah, it's a silver color. And you can see this is a multifunction watch. I like this function about the LCD light. When you're in a very dark environment, you can put this button and then he can show you the LCD for 3 seconds. Yes, for 3 seconds. A very strong light here. And other buttons. And here this button to adjust the different mode. You see here is the date adjustment, and put again, and the stopwatch mode. Here is the alarm clock mode, and put again is the dual time, different places timed for 2 places. And other button is for different function. Okay. If you find the watch band is too length, you can use the adjustment to adjust the band's length. In my next video, I will show you how to use this watch band to adjust the band's length. And also, this is a very important book, the manual. I will show you. We got this manual with with 8 language. Here 4 language about the manual, and the back side also have 4 different language. Here is the English. This for Spanish. You can see it's very clear here to help us how to adjust its functions. Different button for different function adjustment. The function, how many function this watch it has? A digital, 2 silver alarm, 2 alarm about it, and calm down function, dual time function, and with a white LED backlight. Yes, the white is the back special sales point. I like this one. Yes. And then this is a very detailed teach you how to adjust the function. If you want to see how to adjust it, we will make another video to teach you how to adjust the function. Okay, this is the English, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, And then another side is French and Russian and Dutch, and the last one is Chinese. It's very easy to find the menu and follow the menu to teach your function. Okay, this is all we get today. Let's show you again. It's the main object. Our watch is 9181, and this is a clean clothes. You can clean your watch. Nice. And also you can clean your mobile phone. Yeah, your mobile phone. And also you can clean your glasses. Yeah. It's very useful, isn't it? I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. And another one is the 1 year guarantee card. 1 year guarantee card. And the important tooth to adjust the watch band. And also this one is the most important one to teach you how to adjust the date, time, and any other functions like the alarm and the 2 different places function. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye. Here I show you the all the details about these watches.